Hey, my name is Daylon. I'm one of the internet sales managers here with Earnhardt Hyundai in North Scottsdale. Today we're going to be going over the 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid front-wheel drive. For every school run, road trip, and quiet moment in between, the Santa Fe Calligraphy is built for family life. As you walk up front, that bold H-pattern grille immediately stands out. It's framed by Hyundai's signature H-LED daytime running lights, a design cue that carries across the headlights for a cohesive, high-tech look. The horizontal LED strip connects both tail lamps for a clean, futuristic look that really stands out at night. You have power folding mirrors that automatically tuck in when you lock the vehicle. These 21-inch alloy wheels give the Calligraphy a bold, upscale stance. Sharp lines, bright machine finish, and wrapped in all-season tires that balance smooth highway comfort with confident traction year-round.
So this here is the 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. The standard gas models come with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder turbocharge.
However, on the hybrids, you'll get 36 miles per gallon in the city and 35 on the highway. That's incredible for a vehicle this size. Inside, the Santa Fe Calligraphy surrounds you with luxury, Nappa leather, ambient lighting, and advanced tech. Your driving column is going to be very simple. You do have to have your foot on the brake in order to be able to change it. One click forward is neutral, second click will be drive, same thing for reverse. Park is going to be a button located on the side here. The Santa Fe's digital rear view mirror gives you a clear, unobstructed view of what's behind, even with passengers or cargo blocking the back window. Up above, you've got dual sunroofs, one for the front row and one for the second. The front section slides open to let in fresh air, while the rear fixed panel fills the whole cabin with natural light, making the space feel even larger and more open. Drive Mode Select allows you to tailor the driving feel. Options like normal, sport, eco, and sometimes snow depending on the variant. Just above the glove compartment, there's a built-in sterilization chamber, great for keeping small items clean and germ-free while you're on the road. Save your perfect seat position with one touch.
Your recline function is going to be here for the cushion below your legs, which is going to enable you to recline back while you're waiting, maybe for your wife to get out of Target or maybe waiting for the kids to get out of school, kind of like this. So you're going to have two wireless chargers here as well as a cubby underneath for a purse or handbag. You're going to have two cup holders here as well as two cup holders in each of the driver and passenger doors. This here is going to be the center console, which this tray inside of here can pull out. That way you have a deeper console here. But this also can be opened from your passengers. So if you're looking to have some tissues in there or some snacks, they can also access it from back there. One other thing is that the cubby underneath of here will actually fold out. So if you want to put something in there for them to grab, they can. So climate control for the front row is going to include the heated and cooled seats for both the driver and the passenger. You'll also be able to control the rear AC by increasing or decreasing the temperature of that. So you can change both at the same time, or you can change the passengers by itself. You can sync it back to the driver here. You have your heated and cooled seats. You have 3 different levels for each, as well as a heated steering wheel. Your cruise control, very simple. To turn it on is going to be the button in the top left. To set it would be the minus. Increasing would be the opposite. You can pause or resume your cruise control, and you can also have the distance at which it is at. The cruise control in the Santa Fe Calligraphy is going to enable you to have your lane keeping assist, and it's going to actually focus you in the center of the lane.
On the right side, you'll find controls for phone, audio, and voice commands, including Hyundai's built-in voice recognition, with the option to trigger your phone's assistant if connected. You can rotate the view all the way around the vehicle, front, back, and sides. So whether you're squeezing into a tight parking spot or lining up a trailer hitch, you've got a clear angle from every direction. The Santa Fe Calligraphy comes with a premium Bose sound system throughout the cabin. Heated captain's chairs in the mid-row, tons of space, and all the high-end trim you'd expect from the Calligraphy. The mid-row seats feature power folding automation for effortless entry to the 3rd row.
That way nobody's kicking and punching as they're trying to get through the center of those captain's chairs.
Since you have Hyundai's roadside assistance, there's no spare tire in the back. Instead, you get an essentials kit with tire sealant and a portable compressor. You'll notice that Hyundai includes a retractable cargo shade. It slides out easily to cover your gear and keep items out of sight.
It's going to be spring-loaded, so you're going to pull it, kind of angle it a little higher, and pull this right out just like that. So for the third row, they are manual. You'll have to manually pull them up just like as such. Now, additionally, your second row here, you're gonna be able to fold down with the touch of a button, but also fold it back up in the calligraphy, being that the second row has automated seats.
Getting the seats back up is quick and effortless. One motion and you're ready to go.
The third row does come with its own AC control. You can increase or decrease the fan speed, whereas the second row is based off of the front row's climate.
That's the 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe Calligraphy Hybrid. Visit North Scottsdale Hyundai today and take one for a drive. Be sure to like and subscribe. Until then, we'll see you guys next time.
Shop local. Shop Earnhardt. Subscribe to Earnhardt Auto Centers on YouTube and check out these videos. We've got more to show you. No bull, just great rides. See you in the next one.